And the next one is what is project and what is product. Can someone tell what is meant by project and what is meant by product? No need of any technical knowledge for this. Even you are from non-IT background, you can answer this question. What is meant by project? What is meant by product? We are seeing so many examples in our daily life also. What is meant by project and what is meant by product? Can someone tell?
So product means which we use, project which is used to develop the product.
You haven't used the project.
So,
You haven't used the project.
if suppose take an example of product as mobiles, and the internal function which is coding or else anything inside the process, they are called as project, means setting it into the order.
Because you are near, but it's not the correct answer. Tell someone else.
The pro the process of making a product is called project, and the outcome is nothing but product. The outcome of the project is nothing but product.
Okay. You are also near, but the answer is wrong. Anyone else? Yogesh.
The result of a project is a product.
Okay.
The process to achieve that product is nothing but a project.
Okay. Rajini, Lavanya, Santosh. Three people have given answer. What about Shishma, Babita, Yogesh? Give your views on it. What is meant by project and what is meant by product?
Else, product is an outlook, and also project is front end and back end of the product.
Not. Okay. Anyway, I will tell the what is meant by project and what is meant by product. Yeah, product is nothing but just now you people joined in the go-to meetings, right? Go-to meetings, Microsoft Teams, and the Zoom. These type of application call it as product because that product is developed once, but it was selling to the other companies. That is called product. What I can say, the project is nothing but it will be developed and it will be given to the certain company, right? For example, let's take it as Zomato. Zomato is a application. The company developed that project and given to the Zomato head, right? That application is used by the Zomato head only. Of course, you are placing the orders. That is the different one. The admin access and all these things will be there to the only Zomato people. That is called a simple project. Product is nothing but the Microsoft company developed a product named Teams, Microsoft Teams. That Teams product will sell to the multiple companies. Now almost every company in the industry using the Microsoft Teams in their company to communicate with their employees. What the Microsoft did first, they constructed a product and they are selling that product to others, a multiple peoples. That is called the product. Project is nothing like Zomato. Let's see the definition. Project is a software application is developed for specific customer based on the requirements like Zomato. This is called project. Software application is developed for multiple customers based on the market requirements. Multiple customer, nothing but here, what we can say example? 1 minute. What is the example for this?
Teams.
Teams, go-to meetings, Zoom.
Zoom.
All these things comes under the product. What is project? You can talk about Zomato, right? And some
Uber,
application. Sorry.
Uber,
Yes, Uber and all these things comes under the project. Okay. This is the difference between project and product. Okay. This is about the project versus product. Have clear idea about what is meant by product and what is meant by project now? We are done with these three concepts.